Hi students, we are in the lesson the Indian Constitution. Last time we have discussed about separation of powers. Let us discuss one more feature of the Constitution is universal adult franchising. What is the meaning of universal adult franchising means? All citizens of India who are above 18 years of age have right to vote irrespective of their caste, creed, religion, gender, education level, etc. So all the people who lives in India who crossed 18 years, they can vote. So that is called universal adult franchising. Okay. Next feature of Indian Constitution is fundamental rights. So every citizen of India having his own rights. Which are those? Right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, rights to constitutional remedies. So these are important fundamental rights. So it's every citizen can access this, and anything problem comes for these rights, he can fight for this. So these are called fundamental rights. Okay. So let us go next topic is right to equality. Means I'm going to explain each every right. Okay. What is the meaning of right to equality? All persons are equal before the law. Everybody in front of the law, justice, all are equal. No discrimination or partiality basis of religion, race, caste, gender, etc. Okay. All citizens have access to all public places. Citizens of India, they can go anywhere called public places. It may be temple, market, etc. All citizens have equal access to employment. So every citizen of India is eligible to do work in India. Okay. Let us go for next concept, right to freedom. One more right, this is, that is called right to freedom. Right to freedom is not a right, but under this so many point comes. There are 6 points are there. Right to freedom of speech and expression. You can speak any topic and you have the right to express your own. Right to assemble anywhere and without arms. So you can assemble, you can sit anywhere, you can move anywhere without arms. You should not have any type of weapons. Right to form associations means you can join association or you can form any associations. Right to move anywhere, and occupation, you can do any work what you like in India. Okay. Next topic is right against exploitation. The right against, this is about what children, the below age 14 years, they should not do work according to the constitution. Anybody work within 14, that is punishable. That is one of the right given. Children should not work. Right to freedom of religion means you can follow any type of practice, any type of religion, preach, you can choose. Okay, you can follow Hinduism, Christianity, Buddhism, any type. Next one is cultural and educational right. So cultural means you can, as already I said, education you can get, any admission or any school is reject you because of your caste, religion, you can go for the court. Okay. So this type of cultural and education you can get in India. Right to constitutional remedies. According to the Article 32, so it's our what right, that is protect the rights of the citizen. Any problem comes to our rights, we can go for the court. There is a court, police, all those things are there. Okay. Next time we discuss about fundamental duties. Okay. Thank you so much.